Okay, hi there. Um, yep, as the title says, another red trade. I'm so tired of having red days, like every day. Uh, like not every day because if I don't trade, I don't have red days. But if I trade, I have red day. It's crazy. It's just so boring. Just making these videos like okay, what am I gonna talk about today? Well, another loser. So I in my last video I didn't have it properly. I was just placing the trades one after another, not caring for the dates. But yeah, I had these periods without trades in there because of the Easter holiday. Yeah, and then I didn't trade for a whole week there. But still, I don't think I was correctly putting the trades. I've just added one or something. Um, so I think my overall will be like this, approximately. Approximately. I should actually log into my account and check, but I don't want to. I don't want to look at it. My compound obviously goes down. Um, and here's the trade that I've taken. Let me just show you. VT. Where is it? Let's just go back here. Have a look at the whole thing. Lots of lines here, and here it is. It was in the pre-market, and what I'm happy about is the fact that I tried to trade my setup. Okay, so that was good, but okay, I'll tell you in a sec. But look at this. Let me just zoom in on it. Or I should actually do this. This is how I was seeing it at the time. So let me just give you in a second. This is what I was looking at. I don't know. Okay, let me just switch my trades off. So something like this, right? So there was okay, let me just switch to the next minute. I was looking at this and descending triangle, I call it. This has another name, I forgot what it is. But yeah, it was kind of higher low over here, and it was very tight. It was very tight, and that's what made me want to enter it, right? It was the volume, the low here. I tried it, didn't work, and the reason it didn't work, well, I don't know if that's the reason. It could have not worked for whatever reason, right? It's a stock market; it can do whatever it wants. But it was. I took it. Look at this at 7:59, 20 seconds. So it was 40 seconds before 8 o'clock, if I'm correct, because I took it on this minute. Yeah, there it is. I took this trade here for the break to the upside. Yeah, and it didn't work. And so it's starting to sell off just after I took it, obviously. And then there was this huge candle, which is at 8 o'clock. There's lots of, I think, orders being processed, and it just wicks all around. So I don't know if it's a display issue. I don't know. I'm not sure. But yeah, it wasn't a good moment to take the trade at 8 o'clock when there's so much going on. So that's something I have to be aware of for the future, because you get this wick and look at the volume here. It was massive. I'm thinking I should have just bought it and held it and set the limit order to sell it for profit. I wonder if it would work. Maybe I should I should try it tomorrow. Maybe I'll make some money. You know, after all this losing. So anyway, it went a little bit lower later, but then VT had a pretty good day, and overall I think over here we can see it bounced back, but it is what it is. Bounce back later before actually going to this kind of support. I don't know. I think I just drew it based on this, nothing previous. So yeah, there was some tiny setups later, but the movement on it was tiny. There was not much to be made, and maybe, I mean, I was looking at the I found it late in the afternoon. This one, I think it's Playboy or something, Playboy group. But that was a good one. Today it was more expensive, but still within, I guess, the limit for me. And there were a few setups there to trade. Actually, I have it here on a better chart with everything highlighted. I think, is it? Or did I remove it? No, I removed it. So let me just have a look. So that could have been an entry here. I think as far as it. No, this one. Hold on. So I saw some of them. Come on. I thought there were a few entries here. Let me see. So that was the morning. I didn't see anything in particular here. This was too tricky. Let's see. Well, that's already 4. Jeez, where is it? Definitely was this one. Okay, I know which one's the previous one. But first one was right here. You see, that's why I have to train my eyes to spot them more easily. So that was the one. And if you look, if I move it here, so right, there's a drop of volume here, and then on the breakout there's increased volume above the moving average, so that would be a good entry, definitely. So it would go up, I wouldn't get stopped out, there was some money to be made. And I think, did I draw it? Where's this one? Let me just check. So I had it drawn and I made notes for it, but you see, I can't recognize it now. I just made a okay, this one. Okay, so maybe if I stretch it like this, it would be easier to see. Not easy one either, because it's not following the big move to the upside. So I guess could be just around here. So, and then I drew this one like this. Actually, okay, I can do it like that from here, like that. You can see it make this scaling here, but let's see how. Yeah, this increasing volume. So it made this huge move. I would have to look at it like I'll have to look at it like it's a consolidation after this whole big move from the bottom, and then having this triangle with the supply drying up, right? Very low at this point, I would say, super low. And does it sell off? No, it builds higher lows. Yeah, higher lows and increases volume. So on this candle, one could go in with the reasonable loss reward, whatever, profit to loss. I would think that if I go here, no, okay, would it have to be this one? If I enter this one, I would probably get stopped out because I would want to set my stop below this candle. I don't know, maybe a re-entry. Yeah, the range on this stock was a bit bigger. I mean, not range and also the spread. So it's a more risky one, but then it was moving more, so there was more profit to be made if it went my way. So yeah, now, but in hindsight, it's easy to say where I would go in and where I would enter and where I would sell my shares. Anyway, so another red day, tiny one at least with better control. Yeah, just carry on doing what I was doing. So I hope it will change. The math, I should get some green days eventually, right? I mean, It's just a matter of probabilities, right? So I should have a green green day eventually. So I'm waiting for that. Be more exciting to make a video about that for a change. So that's it for today. Have a good evening and or morning, whatever. And I'll try to have a green one tomorrow. All right. Thanks for watching and bye bye.